Welcome, welcome. Boy, are we going to have fun tonight. We're going to play with the fur, and I mean play, because I just had so much fun. We were going back and forth about what to do, and I remembered that in the webcast Tuesday night, someone asked if they could do, I was talking about the ruching, and that the ruching, the fur that was ruched had stretch to it, and that you could do knits. And so to kind of, you know, I hadn't had a chance to play with it, but somebody said, could you do the new pattern 824? And I didn't really have an answer. So as I went in and played, yes, you can do it with it, and you can make a little fur coat, and that's what I did, and I just love it. So let's start from the beginning. 824, this is one of our new patterns. It's called the Day and Night Reversible Jacket. It can be a jacket, it can be longer. There's two lengths in the pattern. It can be a vest, you can leave off the sleeves, all that. But because this fabric has give to it, it can be a knit. So this is a knit sleeve. This is why my knit sleeve, if you can believe it. I'm just having so much fun. So I used this pattern. I wanted to see if it would work. I've been playing for hours, and it's so easy. There's only a front, a back, and a sleeve. There's only 3 pieces. You know, you can do more detail. You can put a closure if you decide you want a little closure. I wanted to wear it open. I did not change my size. I made the same size that I normally make, and you can see I have plenty of movement. It's just, it's so cute, and it's so warm. I just really like it. So the fabric, the pattern is 824. The fabric is 64. I better put my glasses on. 6421. Front, I'm going to show you a close-up of the neckline because I want you to see this. All I did was turn it under and top stitch up the front, around the neck edge, and down the other front. The bottom, when I was cutting out the sleeves, the back of this fabric has, you know, when you get it, you'll see, it just has a finish on both ends, and you can turn it either direction. It doesn't have a nap. It's a mink, so it's a shorter, so there's no nap to it. There's, you know, you just put the pattern on the edge of the fabric is what I did, the hem. And then there's no hem to it. You could hem it if you wanted to as well, like you do the front. But so there's no hem to the bottom of the jacket here. I'm going to show you the bottom here. You can see that there's the bottom. That's what it looks like. No hem. You just cut it to the bottom, and then when you're doing the sides, it all lines up. It's just so easy, and it's so cute. So I serged the whole thing. So I did a French dart. You can see that you can't even see the French dart. You don't have to press anything. You don't want to press it anyway. The heat will kind of change it, so no pressing. Just put it together and just have fun. And it is fun. It's not reversible, but it sure is fun, and it sure is comfortable, and it sure is cozy. And then when you're finished, you want to have a vacuum. It cleans up pretty quick and pretty easy, but you definitely want to keep a vacuum. And that'll make you have happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.